ये आयोजन केवल उद्घाटन नहीं, ये विज्ञान विभूति का उत्सव है, ये सहयोग और संकल्प का संगम है। हरिवंश राय बच्चन लिखते हैं, जहाँ शब्द ना पहुँच पाए वहाँ कार्य कर दिखाते हैं। AppCon 2025 is a living example of that spirit. I request everyone that we are continuing with our inaugural ceremony. Please be seated.
Ladies and gentlemen, while our President IIPM are seeing off the dignitaries, we shall now proceed to the next significant segment of the evening. We have reached one of the most distinguished and celebrated moments of this program, the conferment of ICP fellowships and awarding of prestigious postdoctoral certificate course. These honors stand as a tribute to the exceptional commitment, academic depth, and pursuit of excellence that strengthens the very core of our discipline. May I now request the Secretary ICP to kindly join us on the dais.
Good evening, everybody. Greetings from Indian College of Pathologists.
I again announce the program is continuing. I request everyone to please be seated and maintain the decorum of the hall. Ladies and gentlemen, the program is still continuing. Kindly take your seats.
So, good evening, everybody. Greetings from Indian College of Pathologists. I am Dr. Ritamra, Secretary of Indian College of Pathologists. As you all know that Indian College of Pathologists is part of main body Indian Association of Pathology and Microbiologists, but this organization concentrates on super specialties, training and identifying teachers for super specialty trainings. And as a part of this, we have our fellowship programs, for which I invite our Dean, Dr. Colonel Deepak Mishra, to hand over those certificates of fellowships to the recipients who were scrutinized out of multiple applications, and 6 of them were selected for last year's fellowships. So I shall invite the candidates who were awarded, who have been selected for this. Dr. Debadatta Basu.
I'm sorry to intervene. May I request our Joint Secretary, Dr. Varsha Dume, and Dr. Pranati Mohanty, Joint Secretary Headquarters, to please join us on stage. Due to certain protocol manners and what was sanctioned, we couldn't have you on the stage earlier. I regret that.
So, Dr. Debadatta Basu, sir, congratulations, sir. Dr. Pradeep Bedeswar from Mumbai. Dr. Prasanjit Das from AIIMS, New Delhi. Dr. Shanmuga Priya from Chennai. sixth recipient is Dr. Vishali Suri. She is not personally present, so we shall get that posted. Another mandate of Indian College of Pathologists is to train for 1 year in super specialization. That is what we call postdoctoral certificate courses. For that, there were 20 certificate courses which were 20 candidates were trained. Oh, sorry. And sorry, I missed one. Dr. Varsha Dhume from Mumbai for fellowship. So for post-doctoral certificate courses, there were 20 candidates, out of which only 3 are physically present in the hall. So I would invite Dr. Aditi Agrawal. There were 6 renal and transplant pathology courses which were there, students were trained. There were oncopathology, and Dr. Aditi gets certificate for oncopathology. Congratulations. She's from Mumbai. It's not Mumbai, sorry. From Jammu. Dr. Nikita Dasan, maybe she has not reached because there was some flight issue. Are you there, Nikita? Maybe we'll get it posted. Then Dr. Ravi Teja, who gets fellowship in hemato-oncopathology. So congratulations to all the recipients. Thank you, sir, for doing the honors. Others are not present in the hall, so we shall get all the certificates will get posted. All the PDCs. Yes, purana. So we invite all the fellows on the stage for a photograph.
So before we close the ICP session, very good evening to everyone. So we'd just like to announce that you all know that ICP is the academic arm of the IAPM. So from this year we have started an academic activity which is named as Dr. Borges ICP Masterclass in Pathology. This has started from October 2025. We have had 2 such master classes. First was taken by none other than Professor Siddharth Dattagupta, and the second one was last month by Dr. Bikram Deshpande. And every last Wednesday of the month, we will have eminent speakers speaking on different aspects of pathology. I think that will continue, and we will invite people gradually, one after the other, to give knowledge to our youngsters so that it becomes a real master class. Second is, we have rationalized our PDCC programs. The nomenclatures have been rationalized so that there are no duplications, and you can visit the website for the new PDCC courses. They have been renamed. And the other thing is that we are revamping our website so that you will get many informations, and we are going to have different international guidelines available through the ICP website, so that you can look at the NCCN guideline, the ELN guidelines, and many other guidelines that is currently available in various geographic sites. So these are the initiatives that we have started, and I think you will see a very vibrant Indian College of Pathology in the future months and years to come. Thank you very much with that.